Well, this video is for my friend Stan over in Burchetts Green, near Windsor in London. Since Stan sent me all these British mid-50s, etc. 00 scale goods wagons, as they called them back in the day. Just letting them see how they look on the layout. And this is the latest addition to my layout. Don't know where I'm really going to run it yet, but this is a replica of the Red Arrow, Philadelphia Suburban Transportation Company that used to run in Delaware County, PA, and right by where I lived in Media. In fact, this is the Media 69th Street Terminal version. Now those 4 tank cars, I just received those yesterday from Stan. Just let them know they run great and very much appreciated. And by pushing F7 on the DCC controller, this comes to a stop, gradual stop, which you just missed there. And by pressing F7 again, it will gradually pick up speed. And the old Beyer Garratt, boy, that engine really gets a workout on this layout since I have it. Mainly for break-in purposes. That'll be going away for a while. And that'll do it.